In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some beautiful rustic Valentine's Day home decor signs that you can do with just Dollar Tree signs and Dollar Tree items. I can't wait to show you, so let's jump in. Guys, they have a whole bunch of these new signs and they are really nice. They have the white ones, these right here with the pattern. Let me try to take this out. Those, the brown ones, and I've never seen those before. Those are really nice for some nice DIYs. I think I'm gonna grab a couple of those. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing great this evening. You guys, this is my second video for this week. I switched my days to posting twice a week to once a week. It just gives me more time to, put the best content out for you guys, and that's what I want to do. So I think once a week was good, and that day that I post once a week is Wednesday, in case you didn't know, for my posting days. So I just wanted to give you that info. But here we are starting off with our first DIY for those signs that we've seen. They have so much, and I go to a Dollar Tree literally about 40 minutes away from me because the ones around where I live never have anything good, and this one that I go to always has something different when I go there. So I'm gonna work on this large sign. As you saw, I put the Mod Podge on there, and now I have this vinyl that I cut on my Cricut. It just says Cupid, Sweetheart Cafe, and something on the bottom, cupcakes, flowers, and stuff like that. That's really cute for this sign, so it can look like a little cafe sign, coffee shop sign. So I'm putting the cupids on the very top of the sign, and then I do have the other two words. They were put together, but I'm gonna have to cut it, and you'll see soon. I do cut all of the wording separate because it just makes it easier for me to place it down onto the sign. And because the sign does have those shiplap lines on it, then it makes it easier as well. So this Cupid is going right up at the top, and we'll scrape that on there, and we'll just peel it up really nice and easily. And the reason why I put Mod Podge on before placing my vinyl is because it makes it easier for it to adhere to the Mod Podge rather than the raw wood, because it tends to sometimes just stick to the little pieces of wood that are on there, and it does not want to stick. Trust me, I had my fair share of lessons when it came to that. So now that I have cupids on there, like I said, I do have the next wordings right here, and they are together. I'm gonna just take them apart, and I'm gonna put Sweetheart Cafe in the middle, and then the last thing on the bottom, and we'll easily just scrape that on, peel it up. And then I do even add, it's a little bow and arrow on the sides, one going on one side and one the other end on the opposite side of the sign, which makes it really cute. You guys, I would like to know if you like to decorate, or if you like seeing Valentine's Day DIYs or even gift ideas for Valentine's Day, because I'll be honest with you, I don't like to decorate for Valentine's Day. It's not really my thing. But I do like making decor for it. Obviously, I love making decor, especially for every holiday or every season for you guys. So I just want to know if you would like to keep seeing this throughout the years, or you don't really care for it like I do. So just let me know. But either way, if you want to see it, I will happily make them for you. And so yeah, just let me know down below. And now I am just adding these little wooden hearts around the sign, and I think these are perfect the way they are, not painted or anything, because it kind of ties in with the border around the frame. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun, and I am just going to press them down here and there around that wording. And once I have that on there, the final step for this sign is I'm going to take some jute string and I'm going to make cute little bows around the hanger of it on either side, and that's just going to add a sweet little touch to the top where the hanger is. And that is it, you guys. That was the final touch, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it's really pretty and sweet. Let me know what you think of this sign, and if you like it, I love to hear your thoughts, so let me know down below. But I really love how it turned out. This next project, you guys, I have here another image that I cut from my Cricut, and this one is kind of gonna tie in with that Cupid cafe sign. So I have the little Cupid image here, and I have one of these small signs from Dollar Tree. They are the wood signs, shiplap. What I want to do is I want to take this little script paper, and this is from Hobby Lobby. I got this a while back. I want to take it and I want to add it in the center line of this sign. So I'm going to just cut it using this little knife here. And then I am going to place a layer of Mod Podge down, place my paper down really nice and slowly so we don't get any bubbles. And I am going to place another layer of Mod Podge right on top of that. And I thought this was super cute just to give it a little accent piece to it in the center with the script. I thought it would tie in really nicely with the Valentine's Day stuff. So once that is on there, I am going to take my sand block and I am just going to sand off the excess of the paper. And you just have to sand it down and it'll quickly fall right off. And now it'll be nice and flush to the piece. So then I'm going to go ahead and take that image that I cut from my Cricut and I'm going to place it on the center of this sign. It's a cute little Cupid with the bow and arrow, and I thought that was super cute. It's a simple little decor piece to place around for Valentine's Day, and it does go really nicely with the sign that we just made prior. So before I put that down, I am going to put another layer of Mod Podge because I don't want the transfer tape to rip the paper that I just put in the center. So I did a layer of that, and now I am going to place this little guy down. And you guys, I had the toughest time taking off that transfer tape. I do not know what happened or what, but it did not want to come up and the vinyl was sticking to it really strong, which is weird because it what I tend to do is I take the transfer tape before I place it on the vinyl and I stick it on some fabric, maybe my shirt or whatever, so that way it can get a bit of some, you know, like little fabric on it and it's not so sticky. But it was literally super sticky and it was not coming up. I was just peeling this super slowly because I didn't want to rip the vinyl or anything. So I was here for about 8 minutes or so just trying to get that transfer tape up. So once I finally got it, I cheered for myself because I did not rip up that vinyl, which happened to me a lot of times, and I hate that. I absolutely hate it when it rips because then it just makes the whole entire picture look ugly. So thank God that it worked out. So now what I want to do is I just want to add a couple little accent pieces, and I'm just going to take my jute string. I'm going to wrap it around the top a few times. I added a little bit of hot glue so the string could stay nice and tight on the back, and then I wrapped it 3 times, and then I just cut it off and hot glued it down in the back once again. And then what I did was take one of those little wooden heart shapes and I placed that on the center right on top of that jute string, and that was it for this sign, you guys. And I think it turned out absolutely adorable. Super simple, but it really does look nice, and that little Cupid is making a statement for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I make this one. I'm gonna show you both together because they look really nice together. So I have another one of those shiplap wood signs from Dollar Tree, and then I have this velvet ribbon, and I think this is super cute. They have the red one, they also have a pink one, they have black, and I believe in white. So I want to take the red one here and I want to put it along the middle line or shiplap there, and I am just going to take my hot glue, place a little bit on the back so that the ribbon can stay nice and tight. I'm gonna wrap it around so that it's nice and placed in the center, and I just think that this looks really nice for, you know, the white and red for Valentine's Day. And then I have these pack of there's like felt little hearts, and Dollar Tree always has these every year for Valentine's Day. So you can place one or you can place two of them down as you see here, but I just am gonna place one on mine. So I'm gonna place it right in the center just with my hot glue. And once again, you guys, this is gonna be a simple decor piece, but I really love simple decor. They make such a little statement and they are just really nice. I mean, if you like simple decor, let me know down below in the comments, because I know a lot of people do like simple decor as well. And so once I have that heart down in the middle, I want to add these little diamonds. So I added one there, and then I decided to go in with these little roses. I'm just gonna take one and hot glue it to the top of my heart to make it look even prettier, and then I'm just gonna go in with more diamonds. As you can see, I skipped 3 of the holes, added a diamond, skipped 3, added a diamond. So you can put whatever pattern that you want, but I just didn't want to fill the entire heart with diamonds. I just wanted a bit of a touch here and there of the diamonds, so I did that, and I just placed them down using my hot glue. And then that was it for this DIY, you guys. Super simple, but I really do love how it turned out, and I think it would look absolutely gorgeous next to the Cupid. My friends, before we jump into the next DIY, I want to announce that this video is in collaboration with my sweet friend Megan over at the Crafty Queen. If you are not familiar with her channel, I do recommend you, highly recommend you to go over and check her out because she is super sweet, you guys, and makes some awesome decor. This is just some of her beautiful work that I'm showing you here. And you guys, once you are done watching my video, I'm gonna have the link to her channel in my description box below because she is gonna have more Valentine's Day signs for you, and I'm sure they are beautiful. So make sure when you are done watching this video, you head down there and you go check her out, tell her I said hi, and show her some love and subscribe and like her video. But yeah, guys, she is super sweet, and I love doing collabs with friends. I love to get to show you guys my friends that I work with and other channels that you may not know about, because there are so many people and so many channels out there that, you know, that deserve the love and stuff like that. And I just like to, you know, share that with you guys, and I hope that you do go check her out. So now on this last DIY, I have this heart here, and I'm giving it a really rough distress coat because, again, this is gonna be rustic anyway. And I'm not going all the way around the edge of the heart because you'll see in just a minute it's going to be covered anyway. So I just want the center to be nice and distressed looking for when it's done. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to let it dry. Now I have these 2 different tones of pink roses, and I got those from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take them off the stem one by one because I just want the roses, and we are going to hot glue them down to the rim, the outer part of the heart where I didn't paint. So I'm just adding a lot of hot glue to the bottom of each rose, and I'm just simply pressing it down, and then I'm just going to continue to work my way around the heart. And I do place the darker roses first, and then I placed the lighter roses around that. And then on the bottom of the heart, it wasn't enough roses. I didn't pick up enough, but I made it work. I grabbed some little white, I forget what they're called, but these little white things that you usually see in maybe a rose bouquet or something. I take those and I just take them off one by one again, and I arrange them on the bottom going on their side, so that way they looked stacked up and going in the shape of the heart. And I thought that was really cute either way, that without the roses, because you do tend to see those a lot with roses anyway. So I just put those for the bottom, and I think that that is super cute, and I really love how this one turned out. It's just something about this one that I don't know, it looks rustic, but it looks very chic, and I don't know, it looks really cute. You have to let me know what you think. But once I get all of those little white flowers on there, I am going to take this white and black bow, and I'm going to place it down in the center of that, so that way it can finish it off and we don't see all of those ends and stuff like that. So I'm going to just press that down there nice and tight. And now I'm going in with this sort of burlap little heart. This came off of a Dollar Tree sign from a while ago. So I'm going to place that down there along with one of these white felt hearts. And I'm going to place them going a little bit off to the side. I'm going to place the burlap one first, and then place that white one right overlapping it on top. And then that will finish off this adorable DIY. And I absolutely love it. I think it's super simple and beautiful for this Valentine's Day season. And you can hang this anywhere, in your room, in your craft room, on your door, anywhere really, and it would look beautiful. Let me know what you think. My friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. You are always appreciated, truly. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to check out my friend. The link will be in my description box, and smash that like button if you like today's content. Give it a big like for me, and consider hitting that subscribe button so you could be a part of my YouTube family. I will see you all on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.